Just got this in, and the reason I purchased it is because my favorite podcast, the Wedges, is doing Security Month this month, and I'm hoping that they show this device. I think it's cool, it's easy to use, and very simple device. So let's just unbox it. It requires one 9-volt battery, which no one has laying around. I actually had to remove this from a device I already had. It has a non-slip rubber bottom, so let's test it out. If you haven't figured out what this is the door stop alarm. You have 3 settings: low, medium, and high sensitivity, on and off. So let's say Dick and Chad are at some convention and they're in their hotel room and there are fans banging at the door. So they need to make sure that they don't get through the door, or if they actually get through the door, that they are warned so that they can sneak out the back way. So you place this near the door, not too close to the door. You turn it on. And now cover your ears because it's going to be loud. And this is at low. The fans open the door. The sensitivity has to do with touch. So I have it at high. I'm just going to touch it. Hold on. I just set this. Oh, I'm sorry. I have it at off. If the sensitivity is set to low, you can actually just touch the device without it going off, as you can see. But at high sensitivity, you can't even touch it. So it depends how secure you and Dick and Chad need to feel in their hotel room with the fans on the other side of the door. So again, for Security Month, I think this is a great gadget. You can shove it in your pocket, in your suitcase, in your bag, and keep it at a, let's say you're away and you're concerned about anybody getting through the door. This will alarm you and your family. It is loud. So cover your ears. Thank you for watching.
Some info on item. Door stopper security tool alarm 120 decibels traveling hotel home apartment door, Wedges. TOWODE upgraded door stop alarm 3-pack, door stoppers security alarm with 120 decibels, great gift for traveling hotel home apartment door stopper security tools, May 14, 2021 cost, $16.59. Purchased on Amazon's website. Brand TOWODE. Plug profile wedge. Material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, plastic, rubber. Color black. Item dimensions LXWXH 5.5 by 4.5 by 1.88 inches. About this item. Dual function. This door stopper security alarm can be a door stop alarm or a door stopper. When the alarm being triggered, in the meantime it will keep the intruder outdoor from you. It's safe. If the door is installed very high and far from the ground, please put a soft thing under the door stopper. Hard, non-skid door stopper. The door stopper alarm in off status. It can be used as common damping rubber-based door wedge. Hold door in open position. No any loud alarm sound. 3 sensitivity levels: low, medium, high, with an adjustable sensitivity switch on the side. H level is the most sensitive level that vibration will trigger an alarm. Hard, easy to install. No wiring needed, just put 9V battery in and switch the button on the back to on, then it can works. The bottoms are made of synthetic rubber for keep the alarm from slipping. Hard, lightweight and portable, only 95 grams each. Portable doorstop alarm wedge, without battery and package, Good for carrying when you are traveling or need spend a night at strange environment. Heart. 3-pack upgraded door stop alarm. Great for hotel door security devices. Traveling security door stopper. Door stop safety tools for home. Set with an adjustable sensitivity switch on the side. Easily change the mode. Product description. 1. Great little device for added peace of mind. Lightweight and small enough to easily carry while out walking. Easy to set up, easy to use, and peace of mind while home or traveling. 1. Door stopper security alarm. The door stopper alarm is on status. When door pressure is applied, the door alarm will be triggered while make extremely loud 120 dB alarm. Helps wake/alert homeowner or renter. Helps deter intruder and possibly notifies neighbors. Security protection. Non-skid door stopper. The door stopper alarm in off status. It can be used as common damping rubber-based door wedge. Hold door in open position. No any loud alarm sound. 2. Wedges stopper design. It is suitable for most of doors, and when it wedges underneath the door, that will not be discovered by the one who is outside the door. 3 sensitivity levels: low, medium, high. With an adjustable sensitivity switch on the side, H level is the most sensitive level that vibration will trigger an alarm. 3 easy installation. No wiring needed. Battery operated. Requires 1x9V battery, not included. Place it under the door. The gap between the bottom of the door and the floor should be 10 mm 0.38 in, to 35 mm 1.35 in. It cannot slide on tile when door opens. Smooth floor can try to use H-type sensitivity, vibration sensing alarm. 2. Portable door stopper alarm. Package include 3 door alarms, each weighed about 120 grams. Easy to carry. Alarm loud 120 dB to protect you. Great for hotel door security devices. Traveling security door stopper. Door stop safety tools. Ideal for bedrooms, hotels, apartments, dorm rooms, front doors, etc. Peace of mind when traveling or working alone. Product information. Size: 3-pack. Technical details. Manufacturer: Umbonged. Part number: FDSA. Item weight: 12.8 ounces. Product dimensions: 5.5 by 4.5 by 1.88 inches. Item model number: 4,331,033,320. Is discontinued by manufacturer. No. Size: 3-pack. Color: black. Material: acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, plastic, rubber. Power source: battery. Voltage: 9 volts. Item package quantity: 1. Plug profile wedge. Batteries included? No. Batteries required? No. Additional information. ASIN B01 Lexa.